Hello and welcome to the Wacky Chippy. You can find me on my live stream on Twitch. And yeah, I'm just sanding and I like that I can get the texture to pop out. So I did the 80 grit first and it takes out more of the lighter wood because the lighter wood is softer than the darker wood. And now I'm going with the 150 and I'm trying to just follow the white instead of like going hard on the darker wood. Here we go. I don't want to make the video too long. It's going to be boring for y'all. So, this is a section that I just did. And you can see that because I'm going to be walking down these steps and I'm just going to be like, yeah, whoa. I want to feel the green. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the Wacky Chippy show.